In this video, I will be showing you how to clear app data from your Android phone. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So let's dive right into the video. What you have to do is I'm going to show you two ways. So number one is how to delete the app data from the main page. For example, I'm gonna delete the app data for this Android application. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hover it over, just long press over the application icon, and then go to the app information. So once you will do it, it will take you to the app data. So here you guys can see that there is storage and then data usage, then data battery. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just simply click on the storage. Here you will see that the total storage, the app size, the user data, and the cache. In order to clear the data, simply click on clear and then click on all data. This will allow you to delete all the data, including the files, settings, accounts, databases, and cache will be permanently deleted. So simply by clicking on this, okay, you will gonna delete all these data of the application in your mobile phone. The other method is by going and hitting the setting option. In the setting, search for the app data or app. That way you'll be able to search for application, the application that you want to delete the data for. For example, I'm gonna delete the data of this application, which is named as, for example, I want to delete the data for this application Gboard. Simply go over the Gboard and then go to the storage, and then here you guys can clear the data from here. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.